Boom, bam, bam. Today we are making some quick 5-minute garlic butter bites for you and your family. You're gonna need butter, smoked paprika, black pepper, pink salt, garlic, olive oil, and some beautiful chicken breasts. Boom, bam. So the first thing we're gonna do is take our chicken breasts and cut them into dices. So we're gonna dice up our chicken breasts. Bam, boom. All right. Dice it up all nice and pretty. Bam. Boom, bam. And we're going to cut them up in little dices like this, guys. Make sure you take your time and dice it up. But remember, this is a quick meal for you and your family. And we're going to have this done in no time. So come with me now and follow me as we dice this chicken. Make sure you have a good knife so you can dice it good. All right. And for the people that don't like fat, just cut the fat off the chicken. I'm going to leave a little fat on here just so we can have a little flavor once we get ready to start to saute our chicken breast. So cut it up. Bam, boom. And guys, we are ready just like that. Come with me now. Next, we are going to season our chicken bites, our garlic chicken bites, with some salt. So take your salt, sprinkle it on your chicken. Remember, guys, this is a fast meal and it tastes so good, man. It's going down. We're going to hit them with the boom, bam, with the black pepper. Boom. All right, and then you're going to grab your smoked paprika and hit it like that. Yeah, it's looking pretty already, guys. Okay, now we're about to put it in there and get that good garlic butter chicken bites. So now we're adding olive oil, guys. We're about to warm up the oil on about medium heat. We're about to put in the garlic butter chicken. So let's put our diced chicken in first. Slide it in there like boom to the bam. You're just gonna let your chicken cook up in this beautiful olive oil. And for you guys that have a wok, hey, I like to use my wok pot all the time. So I'm gonna give it a little shake and let that beautiful chicken cook. So now you're gonna give your chicken a toss it on the other side. Mix it up, guys, like this. Now I want you guys to make sure you have it on medium high and shake it like a Polaroid picture, baby. Shake it, 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 shake it. Take a tablespoon of butter and hit it. Bam, boom. Now the recipe calls for one, but I like mine with the extra butter. So we're gonna hit them with another boom, bam. And then you're gonna do a tablespoon of your garlic. Yeah. Now garlic is kind of strong, so we're not gonna do no more than that. And we're about to mix this thing up, baby. It's about to go down. Yeah, baby, I'm smelling so good and pretty in here. It's looking so nice and pretty, guys. So we're gonna take these garlic butter chicken bites. We're getting ready to plate it up. We put some purple onions in there to give it a little pop. And hey, it's about to go down. Oh man, this is so good, and the Parmesan just sets it off. Y'all remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for tuning in to Everyday Living with C&D. Enjoying the boom, bam, bam.
Every day living with C&D, cooking up flavors for you to see. Sizzle pop, the pan's in command. Let's whip it up heart and hand. Boom bam, join the boom bam fam. Home chef shining, that's who I am.